Hey guys, I'm Lauren Palmieri. I'm a professional food stylist and culinary producer and just a girl who likes to drink coffee. I'm here to talk to you about the 1 cup pod brewers on the market. The first one up over here is Chilux. I've never heard of the brand before, maybe you have. I think it's really cute. It's a travel size. It comes in a lot of really fun colors like this red. I feel like if you're looking for something for a dorm room or an office, or you're traveling with your coffee maker for some reason, I couldn't think of a reason why, but I mean, you don't want to be stuck in a hotel room without coffee. I guess that's the reason. This is the one for you. So it's just a 1 cup brewer. You stick your pods right in, you close her up, and it's really simple and easy to use. So moving on to a comparable size and actually a little bit better on price is the Amazon Basics pod brewer, and this is my personal choice because of the specific reason. It has the same pod dispenser that they all have, but it also comes with this awesome coffee filter pod insert, which means that you can use fresh beans, fresh coffee. You aren't pigeonholed to the pods, and that's impressive. I feel like all of these machines should have that because it's better for the environment. You have more flexibility in the coffee that you want to drink. Besides the fact that it's the best in price, I think it's a really nice size. It's easy to use, and I like that it's a 1 cup brew. So in the middle, we have our Keurig 1 cup brew, which I feel like everybody recognizes the name Keurig in this pod game, and I like it. I think it's a nice machine. I think it's easy to use. It looks really sturdy. I think it has a bigger water tank than the other ones. But for me, if you don't have this coffee filter, I don't think I'm in the pod game like specifically anymore. So my choice is Amazon Basics.